Hello everybody, Pokebird Gamer Zone here, and today I'm gonna do an episode of Minecraft, but not as in the Let's Play, which I totally suck. I'm gonna do something probably Let's Play I've done before. That's right. Let's make lazy on an ice bird. No, it looks derpy. I also got let's see here. I'll be Evie and Chat. Chat is supposed. It was not how I found him. Was I was looking for brown bird. I found them. I found him during one of my lookouts, and these are all my dogs. Each one named after its color. I will sit down and tell you about. Oh my god, they're rather fast with me. Okay, guys, sit them all down. I'll teach you about them. Kill the pig. Yes. Attack the sheep. Attack! Oh my god, I was like. Ah! As you can see, they can take on anyone in high speed. Wolf pack attack! We are the wolves. This is okay. This is yellow. Whoa. Okay. Okay. There's not. Okay. Okay. Yellow, brown, pink, green, black. Okay. Oh, I'm gray, cyan, orange. I can't set them all down. Too many. Light gray. I think that was like. Not anymore. Light blue. Cyan. Uh, light gray. Brown, purple. And red. Purple. Lime. Pink. Black. Black. Green. White. Blue. There's still a few left. Gray. Gray, get back here, Gray. Okay, there's gray. Okay, I think I'm missing a magenta. And those are all my dogs. Cyan. 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 Beer. And a Mac. Sorry about that. Anyway, so, yep, these are all my dogs. I can make space. I don't. Everything's full. Oh, this sucks. I gotta try some. I know what to do. Aqua, you pants! I am the magic pants. So anyway, hello dogs. Joe, hey, no. Sorry, that's my actual dog. You know, from the last video. He my favorite. He my favorite. He my favorite. Anyway, so yeah, as you can see, um triple, each triple has the color of red. Anyway, so you know, so dogs, lime. You can hardly see it, the color, just the fact that it's matched. Yeah, and as you can see, they're all pretty cool. When I attack something, say if a ginormous mutate come near, dogs attack, they all go wild. And that's part of what it is. I would never get killed because they would have my back. I sure wouldn't let them fight my battles out. I don't want any of them to get killed. Okay, yeah, guys. And Stabby Longnose, he also has done this, except he has named his dog's actual names, except the color. Some died. I'm pretty sure one named Duncan fell in love with a cat named Mittens. Watch that. Go to Stampy Longnose. That's his channel. I'm pretty sure if you might go to like last year's episodes, I think you would see pretty sure one is where he made like some kind of restaurant and then he put like Duncan and Mittens together. I know it's like Duncan. Duncan has like a black color, as you might guess by the name. So and then beat him up. Oh yeah, no, standing up. Who should I send out? Magenta. Good job, Magenta. You always know what to do. Get back. Sorry, Magenta. I'm so sorry. I did not mean to attack you. Magenta, just sit. There you go. Sorry, I hit you. So, just want to show you guys this. Comment down below. Hey, wait, hold on. What was I saying? Oh, yeah. So, yeah, he built, like, some kind of restaurant, and then he just put, like, Dunkin' and Mittens there. He also made a wishing well, what are people's wishes. He made, yeah. Oh, I'm not invisible anymore. Disney Channel Day, they was making invisible. So, hope we'll see you later. And, where's my bed? Oh, God. Well, put put that there. So, I like to say something before I leave. I'm the magical pair of pants that can do anything! I'm a pair of pants! And so, pants are awesome. And like from Invisible Sister, like, every clothes she touched, it slightly turned invisible. Imagine I was wearing like an iron like suit, and then eventually like all there is just my pants with like holes in it from the invisibility-ness. Oh my god, why did I make these bits so like little thick and stuff? So I'd like to say goodbye to everyone. Comment down below. Have you and go yeah, go watch Snipey Longnose. He's a pretty good YouTuber. Pretty good. Like I like his videos. He's yeah, like do not see like the first one that has bad words, but like later on you yeah. Good. And wait. Fighting piece of pants going to sleep.